the little birds. I see a nest. Little birds are in it. 1, 2, 3, but the little bird cannot fly. They are not pretty. They will get pretty day by day. The big bird is not here now.
Now.
Now. So I will fill them. The ant and the apple. Art had an apple. The apple was
All.
all he had. An ant asked Art
Ask.
ask Art for a bite. Art give the ant a bite. Art and the ant eat the apple. After they eat the apple, the ant went away.
Next.
A good boy. It was Monday. Morning, little Pedro got up. He made his bed. He took a bath. He put on clean clothes. He combed
He combed.
his hair. Little Pedro ate his rice and fish, then brushed his teeth. He got his bag and said, "Goodbye, mother. Goodbye, father. Good friends. There is a mouse and a lion. The mouse is Tom and the lion is Sim. They are good friends. One day they went to the forest. They got some food to eat. They like to eat and eat. They went rested well after. Friendly trees. Trees are our friends. They give us shade. They give up wood. They bear for fruit to eat. About a little hen. A little hen had some eggs. The little hen was always watching over them and making sure they were safe. One day, the eggs hatched and all of the baby chicks were ready to come out. The little hen was so happy to see her chicks for the first time.